Heading: What constitutes the environment? First point: environment refers to the surroundings in which living organisms exist and interact. Second point: it includes all natural, physical, chemical, and biological factors that influence life. Third point: the environment consists of both living and non-living components. Side heading 2: Components of environment. First point: physical components. Includes air, water, soil, climate, temperature, and natural resources. Second point: biological components. Includes plants, animals, microorganisms, and human beings. Third point: social components. Includes human activities, culture, industries, and settlements. Heading: Environmental pollution. Side heading 1: Meaning of environmental pollution. First point: environmental pollution is the introduction of harmful substances or pollutants into the environment. Second point: it causes adverse effects on human health, ecosystems, and natural resources. Side heading 2: Types of environmental pollution. First point: air pollution. Caused by harmful gases, smoke, and particulate matter released from industries and vehicles. Second point: water pollution. Caused by discharge of industrial waste, sewage, and chemicals into water bodies. Third point: soil pollution. Caused by improper disposal of solid waste, pesticides, and hazardous chemicals. Fourth point: noise pollution. Caused by excessive sound from industries, vehicles, and construction activities. Fifth point: thermal pollution. Caused by release of heated water from industries and power plants into water bodies. Heading: Significance of environmental protection. Side heading 1: Protection of natural resources. First point: environmental protection helps conserve resources such as water, forests, minerals, and biodiversity. Second point: it ensures availability of resources for future generations. Side heading 2: Protection of human health. First point: a clean environment reduces diseases caused by pollution. Second point: it improves the quality of life and well-being of people. Side heading 3: Maintaining ecological balance. First point: environmental protection helps maintain balance between living organisms and natural systems. Second point: it protects ecosystems and endangered species. Side heading 4: Sustainable development. First point: environmental protection supports development without damaging natural resources. Second point: it ensures a balance between economic growth and environmental conservation. Heading: Development of environmental law in India. Side heading 1, Introduction. First point. Environmental laws in India were developed to control pollution and protect natural resources. Second point. The growth of environmental legislation increased after environmental problems became serious. Side heading 2. Early environmental laws. First point. Wildlife Protection Act, 1972. Provides protection for wild animals, birds, and plants. Second point. Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act, 1974. Established measures to prevent and control water pollution. Third point. Forest Conservation Act, 1980. Regulates the use of forest land for non-forest purposes. Side heading 3. Important environmental laws. First point. Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act, 1981. Provides measures to control and prevent air pollution. Second point. Environment Protection Act, 1986. Provides a framework for protecting and improving environmental quality. Third point. National Green Tribunal Act, 2010. Established the National Green Tribunal for Environmental Dispute Resolution.